Good morning to all. Welcome back to English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Revdi, your English teacher. We have completed our lesson 7. That's what friends are for. We have discussed the meaning, question answer and the grammar topic article. I hope all of you got the workbook. So today let's discuss the workbook page number 13 and 14.
Page number 13. That's what friends are for. The first exercise A. Jegu, the sparrow, wants to go home. Look at these words. Circle those that take an before them. Connect the circle words and help Jegu find his nest. So here you can see a box with full of words. I just read the words umbrella, chair, desk, toy, book, tiger, insect, deer, wolf, lion, bus, motorbike, engine, cycle, fox, donkey, cat, buffalo, ox, sheep, parrot, sparrow, dog, crow, and owl. That we have already discussed that we can use and before the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. So here you need to identify the words that we can use and before them. The first line of words umbrella, chair, desk, toy, book. Which word we can use the article an? Yes, umbrella, an umbrella. So circle the word umbrella. And the other words chair, desk, toy, book, these words begins with a consonant sound. So here we can add the article A. And next set of words tiger, insect, deer, wolf and lion. Here which word we can add an? Yes, insect. Because the word begins with a vowel sound. So we can add and before this word. So circle the word insect. And other words tiger, deer, wolf and lion that begins with a consonant sounds. So we can add a before them. Okay. And next set of words bus, motorbike, engine, cycle and fox. So which word we can use an? Yes, engine. Because the word begins with a vowel sound. So here we can add an engine. An engine. So circle the word engine. So bus, motorbike, cycle, fox, these words are begins with consonant sound. So here we can add a before them. And next set of words donkey, cat, buffalo, ox, sheep. So which word we can use and before? Yes, ox. Ox, the word begins with a vowel sound, so we can add an ox. And other words, donkey, cat, buffalo, sheep, that begins with consonant letter or consonant sound, we can add the article a. And next set of words, parrot, sparrow, dog, crow, and owl. So which word we can add and before them? Yes, owl. The word owl that begins with a vowel sound, we can add an. So, an owl. And the other words, parrot, sparrow, dove and crow that begins with a consonant sound, we can add the article a. So, which are the words? Here we circle umbrella, insect, engine, ox and owl. So connect these words. So Jegu found his nest. Yes, Jegu reached his nest through the words that begins with vowel sounds. Okay. And the next exercise, write the names of the animals and tick their correct horns. Here you can see 5 sentences. Here you need to write the names of the animal and tick their correct horns. The first one, here you can see the picture of hen and a dash lives in a coop or hive. So where did hen lives? Here A, hen. Here you can write hen lives in a coop or hive. The bee lives in hive, hen lives in coop. So take the word coop. A hen lives in a coop. And B, a dash lives in a stable or den. Here you can see the picture of horse. So write the word horse. A horse lives in a stable or den. Bear lives in den. The horse lives in a stable. So tick the word stable. A horse lives in a stable. And next one, a dash lives in a nest or hole. Here you can see a picture. What's that? Yes, it's a rat. Rats live in a nest? No, it lives in a hole. So tick the word hole. A rat lives in a hole. And next to page 14, D, a dash lives in a burrow or shed. Here you can see a picture. What's that? Yes, cow. So write the word cow. A cow lives in a burrow? No, the rabbit lives in burrow and the cows lives in shed. So tick the word shed. A cow lives in a shed. And next one, a dash lives in a cave or work. A dash. Here you can see a picture. What's that? Yes, a bear. So a bear lives in a cave or web. Not a web because the spider lives in a web. So the bear lives in a cave. And the next exercise, complete these sentences with words from the box. Here you can see some sentences and some words in the box. Push, kite, left, short, after. Here you can see some words in bold: before, noisy, tall and pull. So you need to identify the opposite word of these words from the box. First one, A, Y comes before Z but dash X. So here which word is in bold? Yes, before. So what is the opposite of before? Yes, after. So here you can write after. Y comes before Z but after X. And the next sentence, the market is very noisy but this street is dash. The market is very noisy but the street is dash. So the word in bold is noisy. So what is the opposite of noisy? Quiet. So here you can write the word quiet. The market is very noisy but the street is quiet. And next sentence, the rose bush is dash but the coconut tree is tall. So what is the opposite of tall? Yes, short. So the rose bush is short but the coconut tree is tall. And next sentence, we can move the table if I pull it and you dash it. So what is the opposite of pull? Yes, of course, push. We can move the table if I pull it and you push it. And the next exercise, C, look at these words and write a few sentences about it. Here you can see some hints. Tree, many branches, boy climbing, another boy sitting on a branch, birds, monkey hanging from a branch. Okay, you can make your own sentences like a tree has many branches, the boy is climbing upon a tree, another boy is sitting on a branch, birds build their nest on a tree to lay eggs. Some monkeys are hanging from one branch to another. Like this, you can make your own sentences and write down.
So all of you complete the workbook from the page number 13 and 14. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.